welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here to do a very quick and unexpected unboxing. It is of, I believe, 4 handbags. I got this from Aupen, I think that's how you pronounce the name of the brand, and this is something that I have purchased from before. So let me show you what I've gotten before. These are their popular styles called the Nirvana. I have one in the black calfskin, very soft and supple, and this one has the adjustable chain with a bean little charm, really cute. The other one is the same exact styles and size, except it's like in this beautiful tweed, and it has the like very traditional braided leather handle. And I believe this one came with a little pearl, but I took it off. I don't know why I took it off, but anyway, yes, these are beautiful, and they had a celebration for Singapore's 40th, I think, birthday, and they are a Singapore brand, so in case you didn't know, which is why. And so one of the really cool things they did was a special release of their handbags, and you can choose a mystery bag. If you're interested in this mystery unboxing, then continue to watch. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. Like I said, they had some mystery boxes, bags, and these are from some of their styles that they currently have, but it differs in the material and the color. So you essentially pay, for example, I'll pop a thing up here, $39 is the cheapest one that you can get, and this one is from repurposed leather. So a lot of the materials that they use, they find small pieces of it and they can make the small bag. So this one you can buy, I forgot how many you can buy, but I bought 2, and so you don't know what you get. And apparently one of them could be a very expensive and exclusive one or something like that. So I was just kind of interested. It's like very inexpensive. So I thought I'd join in on the fun. But they also had 4 other mystery items, and so they are the Nirvana style, and I'll pop the pictures up here, and they differ with the chain that it comes in. So again, it's a mystery in the sense you don't know what leather, you don't know what color, and so we're gonna unbox it here. I think they just did another release, so I'll link that below if you're interested. I think some of it is sold out, but there's still some left. So if you're interested, definitely jump on it. If you like a little mystery, you know, send it to somebody to surprise them. That would be kind of cool too. I do have to point out that their shipping usually is free if you buy over, I think, $200 US. I don't know about other countries, but the thing is, for this one, it didn't matter if I bought over $200 or, you know, any amount, they charge per item. So I don't know if that's been changed, but the last time I purchased this mystery event, it was charged per item. So that was a little kind of like a bummer, but regardless, even with that, the prices were like pretty, I guess, reasonable. They were less than $100. So, all right, let's get into it. So it came in this, and I am a little surprised that 4 bags would fit in this, which is why I really wanted to unbox it and kind of like just see why it's so light and so small. So hopefully this will help you if you haven't bought it yet, so that if this is not good, don't buy it. Okay, let's see. It did ship through DHL, so once it shipped, it was pretty quick. All right, so this was all that's inside this bag. All right, so it does come in this, oh, there are 2. Okay, I don't know if you can see now. There are 2. I believe then this one is not the complete, it's weird because I bought 4, remember I told you, and 2 of them were these kind of repurposed. So there they are. But I also have 2 other mystery boxes that I don't believe are sent, even though they told me they sent it. So I gotta email them about that. But let's open these special ones. I don't know which one I should go for. These are really cute. I'm not from Singapore, nor have I like visited, so I do want to visit Singapore, but is this like a popular thing? Like, I don't understand this like macaroon thing. It looks like I don't know, it's like servings, iconic, bold, total luxe, and then it's like find your size, elegance, and I think it's like, it's cute, it's fun, but I'm just surprised because I was like, is this like a candy thing that they have? I don't know. Anyway, if you know, let me know. Oh wow, okay, it's like sealed, so I can't even open it. I have to like rip it open. So, all right, Let's do it. I hope I get a good color. Okay. Wow, I'm doing a terrible job. Okay. Kind of nervous, I don't know. Okay, the first one I got is this. So this is the style for this like repurposed bag. This is the one that they showed Jenna Ortega wearing, except of course hers was like a croc leather material. This one is nylon. So like I said, they do have different materials. This one is in nylon, so it's very lightweight, but it's red. I am not a huge fan of red bags, so I probably would give this one to like my mom or something, but it is great. So here, let me show you. I don't have this style bag, but let me just show you my phone. I have the Pixel 8, so you can't fit too much in it, but let me just show you. My phone fits perfectly, and you can adjust this, the length of this, so that, you know, you can wear it like this. This is actually really great for like holiday parties as well as Lunar New Year, where we carry a lot of red in our culture. So just first bag is red. Hopefully my second one's different. That's why I bought two, because I was like, I don't know. Let's just hedge our bets here. So putting this one back in. It's kind of cute. Like I said, $39 plus shipping, but you know, it's not too much of a risk. Anyway, let's cut into this one because I ripped that one so poorly. All right, so the second one. All right, here we go. So the second one is a black version. This one, again, is nylon. I did hope that they had a leather option because everything that they showed on their website was leather or suede, not nylon. So I was surprised to find that both of mine are nylon, but this one is black, which I do prefer more. And so yeah, it's the same thing inside as well. There are no pockets on these ones, and yeah, it just says, oh, there's a tag here. It says repurposed nylon midnight. So this is the color of midnight. And so yeah, this is also adjustable right here. So you can see that it can sit like this, very casual. And this can definitely be like a pouch that you bring, you know, in a bigger bag, or you can pack it in your suitcase and then use it for like a nighttime event. So I do think these are really good bang for your buck, but like if they even showed pictures of nylon, I think it would be a little bit more representative. Anyway, it's fine. It was only $39 and I don't have the style. I think my mom would love it as well. I think she'll like this one. But just so you know, if you do get it, it is something that could be all nylon for everybody, which does explain why they priced it at $39. You kind of get what you paid for. So I did love the surprise, so thank you. I do need to contact them now about my two other mystery boxes that are the Nirvana, which is this style, and so it is thicker, as you can see. So I think it has to be shipped in a different type of box because the bags just, it'll get like deformed if they do that. So let me go email them and I'll be doing an unboxing real soon again with these. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.